inspiration from being a filmmaker to an author? What made you to write about crimes?
See, basically, I have always liked to write. Okay, so before being a filmmaker, I was a writer. I was an author, so to say. Inspiration is something which you get because you read books, and because I read books and I saw good films, that is the reason I felt like creating them, writing good books and making films. How did I start writing crime? Well, as I said, I was always interested in the genre as such. But more than that, what gave me a fillip was the fact that I did a film for CID, a documentary film for CID somewhere in 2005-2006. And that sort of gave me an idea of the inner working of police and how crime is investigated. And that sort of put me on the path of deciding to write novels on crime. That's it.
And the characters that you put in your crime fiction books, are they somewhat influenced like characters that you have seen in real life, or you just create them? And if you do create them, how much time does it take to write a crime fiction book as well as creating a character in it?
See, basically characters you always take from real life in a sense, but those characters are not whole characters. You take something, you look at a person, you feel that he is a character you can use, he's an interesting character, and then you add something to him, okay? You either change his name, you change his appearance, you decide to make a killer out of a normal looking person, that kind of a thing. So characters may be taken from real life, but you always add something to it. And I would say that preferably every author should add a bit of himself into each character. Okay, very small things. For example, if you write eating a particular kind of food, maybe you should ask your protagonist or your hero to start liking this kind of a food, or show him liking this kind of a food. How long it takes to write a novel? Well, it depends. As far as I am concerned, I have written a novel in 1 year. Sometimes I have written something in just 6 months. So it really depends on how whether you are in form. Okay, so it's like a batsman. If you are in form, you can probably make a century in just about 50 balls or something. But if you are not in form, it takes a little more time. That's all.
So, last question. So, your recent book, Killing Ashish Karve. In Killing, can you give us a little glimpse of what the story is all about?
Okay. See, basically it starts with a body being found in the backseat of a car. Okay. Now, this body is that of a Pune-based businessman called Ashish Karve. Now, the thing is that there are lots of motives why somebody would want to kill Ashish Karve. Okay, right from his partner to his wife to a couple of friends to strangers. Who has killed Ashish Karve? That is basically the gist of the investigation. And Inspector Saralkar, Senior Inspector Saralkar and his assistant, that is PSI Motkar, they go about trying to find out these multiple motives. And it's a very dark, realistic kind of a thriller. And the end is something which is a comment on the kind of social situation that we live in today. Okay, the kind of intolerance that we have in our society. That is all I can say.
Thank you very much, sir.